Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Instagram Plus subscription. So to do this, there is two options. The first one is just by going to Instagram. After that, go to your notifications and go to your Instagram Plus notification. And after that, scroll down until you will find cancel subscription option. You can cancel from here and just follow up like the ordinary details and complete cancellation. And the second option is to go to the App Store. After that, click on your picture on the top right and go to subscriptions. And as you can see, there is the Instagram Plus subscription here. Click on it. And after that, click on cancel subscription. And that's it. The subscription will be canceled. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.